Okay, let me get that that Home Depot apron in front of us here.
Ready? That's all.
Yeah, anytime you're ready. Want to try that again, Don? That's a steel door, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's holding it there?
Oh, the door guardian.
Okay.
I was for holding. You get the big ogre.
Oops.
Try
That works pretty good.
There's one here.
Is there one up there?
There's one here. Right there.
Why hit it?
Yeah, that works pretty good.
That's all the whole door on.
Very good.
Two of those.
Yeah?
Holy moly. I like that. Try it again. I'm putting holes in it. I'll just beat the door. I'll just beat it open.
It's strong, isn't it?
Okay, give me one of these.
Get your little good arms out of here.
That's pretty good,
That's
man.
all that's holding the door. Just the door guard.
No downside to them, but
That's incredible.
you have to be inside in order to open it.
Well, usually the hinge side is stronger than the lock side. No, not yet. With the sledge, people are hitting it. Yeah, I bet you I can bust up the hinge side.
Okay, anytime you're ready. Don't give it a love tap. Come on, hit it. Oh yeah, that was a nice hit. That was a really nice hit.
One more?
Want to try one more? Okay, you're feeling strong today? Nice shot. That was beauty. Hey, guess what's just holding there? What do you think's holding that door up?
Yeah, that's what I'm curious.
Jack, one little door guardian. Hey, you want to see? Here, take a look at that. Just one door guardian. So how wonderful do you think the door guardian is?
It's the best you can buy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I got in my home. I bought for my kids, so they won't just walk out the door. You know, I also feel safe. Nobody can just barge in from there.
Oh, so you bought it for safety and security?
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And it's easy access, easy use for.
Yeah, isn't it attractive as well?
Yes.
Yeah, don't you think?
Nobody even tells that we have. It's nothing big holding the door. It's just something simple and useful.
Wonderful. So you could probably PK me on this, couldn't you? You probably know more about it than I do.
Oh, I know. It works well.
And what's your name?
Monica.
Monica. Thanks, Monica.
Thanks.
Go for it. Just can't get in, can you?
No, sir.
No? How do you feel, though? Do you feel better now? Better now?
Oh, yeah. Aggression's gone.
All right, we'll send Home Depot the bill now.